Waxpol X-Cut Rubbing Compound easily removes defects, revives dull finishes and restores a clean, smooth, high-gloss finish. Use on a cool, dry and clean car. Shake well before use. Use a wool pad, foam pad or cotton cloth. Prepare surface with P1200 or finer paper. Pour the compound. Spread using slow speed. Dry the polish with medium speed in overlapping to and fro motion. Buff off with high speed. Keep the pad spinning and flat against the paint to have maximum effect. SPUR wool pad to avoid powder buildup. Fold microfiber into 4 and wipe off. Use fresh side for each section. Second application may be needed for high gloss finish. Skip the clay bar step when using Waxpol X-Cut Rubbing Compound. It can also be used to restore headlights. Easily clear defects, swirls, watermarks, oxidation, stains and scratches from paint surfaces. Waxpol X-Cut Rubbing Compound is silicone-free, wax-free, paint shop safe and effectively removes defects while leaving behind a brilliant shine.